Howdy folks, and welcome back to another Blender Intermediate class. And this time we're going to be looking at creating a roof tile texture, which actually comprises of 3 different texture maps. One's a diffuse texture, which is the colour, so the red colour of the tiles. One is a specular map. Specular means how shiny something is, so how shiny the tiles are. And the last one we'll be doing is a normal map, or a bump map, which gives it the illusion of being 3-dimensional. And this is just the introduction, so not much to do here. It's just a case of watching really what I'm kind of showing, kind of taking it all in. If I look at the shader viewport here, as we see, we've got, if I just select it and go to edit mode and make sure, there we go, that's better. So as I say, we've got a diffuse colour texture. We've also got a specular map, which is how shiny it is. We've also got a normal map for the bump map to give it the illusion of 3D. Now you may be asking, why in goodness name would you bother doing that? What is the advantage of it? Well, firstly, it's going to make your texturing on your model far more professional looking, far more interesting. And good news is there's no real rendering cost as far as game engines or in Second Life or OpenSim are concerned, but it doesn't take it any longer to draw that, to render it on the screen, mainly because modern 3D graphics cards are very good at doing that kind of thing very quickly. Well, this is the introductory lesson, lesson 1. We'll also be breaking down the further lessons. So the second lesson we'll create the roof tile. The third lesson we will add a material to it and UV map. The fourth lesson will be then baking those materials to the different textures. And the very last lesson, lesson 5, will be importing the texture to in-world to OpenSim or Second Life and applying it, seeing how it looks. So I hope you found that interesting. Thank you very much for joining me today. Do tune in for the next lessons, and until then, take care. Bye for now.